Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Stop Drop Cook. Today we'll be making some delicious clubhouse sandwiches. So let's get started. We'll start off by slicing some tomatoes for our sandwiches. And now, let's do the same for our lettuce. Cut the lettuce into small pieces. Now let's keep everything aside and let's season our pan with some butter. Add 1 egg into your pan on a low heat. Now we're gonna break our yolk and spread it around the entire egg. Going ahead with some ground pepper. And we're gonna do the same for ours. Now just wait until our egg has been cooked. Okay, so now that is done, on a new pan, grease it with some butter. Slice off the edges of the bread and toast them. Once each side is done cooking for about 1 minute, do the same for the other side. Prepare some mashed avocados. Now we'll be making a special sauce and we need some honey mustard, as well as some mayo, and last but not least, we will need some ground pepper. Now mix it all together really well. Now we'll be making our California club sandwich and take our bread and we're going to be spreading our special dip or sauce we made right now. On top of our sauce or dip, we'll be adding in our chicken. We'll be adding in our cheese slice. And now for our chopped lettuce. About 2 to 3 tomatoes. We're done with our first layer of our sandwich and we'll move on to our second. Now just top it off with some guacamole. On top of our guacamole, we'll be adding half a piece of egg and we'll be finally topping it off with our bread. Our sandwich is finally ready and you can add some toothpicks as well. I think slicing the sandwich in half is probably the most important part of this recipe. You want to get it just right. So with a large knife, cut it through the half carefully. You don't want to break the sandwich. And there you go. You got your California club sandwich. I hope you all enjoyed. As always, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and see you next time.